Nearly 70% of businesses are facing the loss of their most experienced technicians. This isn't just a knowledge gap, it's a drag on business performance. Do you have the tools to meet this challenge head-on? As the assets that drive your business become more complex and expensive to repair, and downtime becomes more costly, your technicians need to be able to predict maintenance needs, reduce time to repair, and improve initial fix rates. In other words, you need all of your technicians to be your best technicians. With an IBM Repair Assistant powered by artificial intelligence, they can. Here's how. When a technician receives a work order, suggested repairs are automatically included, based primarily on failure data, but also on input data from sources like asset history, operator manuals, IoT sensors, and beyond. This added guidance ensures technicians pack the right tools and the right parts before they leave for the job. Once teams are on site, they can access expert assistance at any point during work order execution when they are unsure of next steps. The Seek Advice feature gives them access to everything from inspection instructions, safety procedures, and troubleshooting information to ensure accurate and consistent diagnosis. Every inquiry is supported by a deep, shared knowledge base of information across sources, such as manuals, operator logs, and work orders. The technician can even access specific asset history by filtering by asset, work order number, past repair dates, and more. As they repair the asset, maintenance teams can also input new symptoms they discovered to help pinpoint the diagnosis. As soon as the symptom information is entered, IBM Watson returns recommendations and probable troubleshooting actions, giving technicians more confidence as they progress through the repair. Once repairs are complete, feedback from the technician helps Watson learn and update the diagnosis for future repairs. And if a technician gets stuck during a repair, they can use their mobile device to connect with remote experts. Streaming video and augmented reality help visualize the experience, allowing the expert to annotate, provide instructions, and give specific guidance on what to do and how to do it. Learn quickly, repair consistently, optimize effectively for any asset, anytime, anywhere.